Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Pokemon Live Wallpapers for your iPhone. It's actually really easy to do, just takes a couple minutes. But before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys, I do have lots of videos on my channel similar to this one that are really short that show you guys how to customize your iPhone in lots of different ways, from like custom charging sounds to like this cool wallpaper I have right now that has this tear at the bottom that hides the dock, all without jailbreaks and stuff like that. So I do have a lot of content like that. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to go check it out. I'd also appreciate it if you guys would consider subscribing, as I'm on my road to 10,000 subscribers. It would mean a lot. Anyways, let's get started with this video. All you guys need for this is the TikTok application. So if you guys already have an account on TikTok, we're good to go. But if you don't, just go to the App Store, create an account, and then come back to this video. Anyhow, for the Pokemon wallpapers, all you have to do is open up TikTok. So we'll go ahead and open up TikTok. Just go to your Discover tab and go to the top search and just search for Pokemon Wallpapers. And there's this account that actually has a ton of really nice stuff on here. So if we just click on Pokemon Wallpapers here, it will show us this account right here. And then you see on their page, they have lots of different cool Pokemon wallpapers that you guys can choose from. So you just got to scroll through here and choose one that you like. So if we just scroll up here, I'll just choose, let's just say, let's do a Pikachu one, like this, for example. So once you find one that you like, you just want to go ahead and click on the share option at the bottom here with this arrow. And then you'll see an option to convert to live photo. So we're going to convert to live photo here at the bottom. And we'll then convert it to a live photo for us. So we'll just give that a second. Once it's done, we can exit out of here and go over to our settings and open that up. Once we're in our settings here, you want to scroll down and you will find an option for wallpaper. You want to go ahead and click on that, choose new wallpaper, scroll down and click on the live photos album. Click on the wallpaper we just got. And then if you want to see how the wallpaper looks before we go ahead and set it, you just want to long press on it and you will then see the live wallpaper will then start to go off, which is pretty cool. All you have to do at this point is click on set and set as lock screen wallpaper and you're good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get Pokemon Live Wallpapers on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.